TxDOT has 57,000 bridges in its inventory and conducts 2,300 bridge inspections each month. Data collected during these inspections is used to manage this inventory and prioritize maintenance. The Texas Department of Transportation and researchers at the University of Texas at San Antonio studied the data to identify trends and better predict deterioration of bridge elements.
We collect lots of data about our bridges, and so the point of this research was trying to use that data and historic data to look at trends of conditions and see how our bridges are performing and see if we can get insights on how we can forecast how our bridges may perform in the coming years.
This inventory has to be maintained and prioritized. You have to set your attention to specific spots on this huge network of bridges. Okay, so that's the motivation for the project. So it has a management system. The bridge division has a management system, which is actually federal mandated. It's called BRM, and that BRM system requires basically a forecast of deterioration of structures. Okay, and that's where this project comes in.
So what we're trying to do with this project was looking at not just individual bridges, but looking at groups of bridges. So with 57,000 bridges, we can say, okay, these bridge types, these bridges that have pre-stressed concrete beams, there are 16,000 of those across the state. How are those performing over time? And then try to see, are there patterns that we can find in the data from historic data?
The research project established a historical database, basically, to determine statistically estimate this deterioration relationships, mathematical deterioration relationships.
Some of the data that we got out of this project, we will be able to start using to advise us on how to manage our assets and manage our 57,000 bridges. It may not be that we implement it directly into our asset management software, but we can use it to help guide us on how we may adjust different factors within the software. The other part of that moving forward is that what we really need to do is let that data set mature more. And then as we get that data, we'll have a much higher confidence in how we can use that data to inform us on deterioration modeling.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.